The white-throated sparrow is a medium-sized sparrow, about 6 to 7 inches long, with crisp head stripes and a white throat patch, and a bright yellow spot in front of the eye. Much of the lower U.S., these birds are only around for part of the year before migrating north to Canada and the northern forests for breeding season. They spend a lot of time scratching through leaves under shrubs, which means they're often easier to hear than see. Their clear whistles are one of the most familiar sounds of spring migration and northern woods. In this video, you'll hear what the white-throated sparrow really sounds like.